bright morning is definitely giving me a little wake up call. It makes me want to go lay on my man immediately. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by GLYN Collection. They sent me some products to try for you guys. In today's video, I'm showcasing the new Esha perfume and body mist. Listen, GLYN Collection said we are tired of the funk. Stop walking around with stale smelling wigs and funky armpits. There's no reason for any of that, okay? So they got us together with one product. I'm also giving you guys a mini natural hair update, as well as showing you guys how I got this cute style with my GLYN Collection wig. Nothing crazy, it's all in the video. So before we get into all that, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. First off, my hair. Y'all see I got my little braids in here right now. I'm gonna take those out before we do my hair, obviously, but I want to show you guys the products that I'm using on my hair. So like I said, all these products are sent to us from GLYN Collection, and I have been using some of these products since September of last year when they first sent it to me. The products I'm talking about are from their Esha natural line. I've been using the curl hydrating shampoo and conditioner, the curl moisture leave-in and curl defining smoothie, as well as the heat protection spray and the anti-itch relaxing scalp serum. I have been using all these products on my hair, especially the shampoo and conditioners, and I have been using my lip foot method, you know, leave it alone, and it has definitely helped my hair. In November, I think it was, I put the straight backs in my hair, and I kept those in for a while, about 2 months, and it definitely grew the middle of my hair in. Do y'all see this? Yeah. It definitely grew them in, and it also helped with the thickness of my hairs. I'm not just saying it's just the products. I'm not just saying it's just the method of leaving my hair alone. I think it's a combination of both. So I'm pretty happy with how this is looking. This is when I first took my braids out a couple weeks ago. This is after I used the heat protection spray to blow dry my hair, and this is how my hair was looking. I do need to give myself a trim, which I have done, but I need to give me another one because I have a couple split ends on my hair. Kind of cut a little bit at a time. I don't go heavy-handed with cutting the ends off, just because, you know, I'm not a professional and I don't want to hack up my hair. So I cut a little bit at a time before I braid it back up, and then I go on about my business. I'm going to take these plaits out right now. Let me put a little bit of water on my hair just to make sure it's easier to comb out. Bring all this up, put this in a bow while I talk about these new products that they got from Esha. The new products from Esha that I'm going to be talking about today and trying out for y'all are the new body and hair perfume mist. Y'all know I'm real quick with the home bath, okay? I like to give my hair a little cleansing with a little smell good with my dry shampoo and water, okay? Clink, clink. But GLYN Collection said we tired of you talking about that. We want to give you something different, okay? Step your game up a little bit, sis. So they came out with the body and hair perfume mist, and they sent me all, what is this, 9, 10 of them? Hold on, let me gather them quickly. All 10 of these bad boys. So let's go ahead and talk about them real quick. I don't got time to be sitting around here spraying perfume all day. I'm gonna give myself a headache. So we have Warm and Pleasant, Holiday Mood, Bluebird, Old Fashioned, Winter's, Bright Morning, Lady in Red, Caribbean Sunrise, Gin Fizz, and Rusty Spike. I cut up some paper so I can make sure I can smell them, you know. I want to feel real professional. And all of these perfume mists are infused with betaine, I think that's how you say it, which promotes moisturization, is skin soothing and hair conditioning, promotes scalp health, has cleansing properties, and antioxidant benefits. So I'm here for all of that. Y'all know my hair be dry. Leaving your hair alone sometimes can dry your hair out, so you definitely got to moisturize your hair in between. So if this is going to help me moisturize my hair and smell good, listen, lay up on my man real quick. First up we have, this is Rusty Spike. Okay, let's see what this is smelling like. Ooh, in the bottle I was kind of like, kind of smell like a man, but it does have like a, not a manly smell. I don't want to say manly, I don't want y'all to get the wrong impression, but it has like a woodsy smell. They have the notes on the website, so I want you guys to take a look at that so you know exactly what you're getting before you buy them. Rip the box because they're not opening the easiest way. Let's try Bright Morning. Oh, that smells clean. This smells familiar. I'm gonna put that over in my favorite pile because I like that. The bottles are really pretty too. Let me show y'all. Very clean cut, and you get a nice amount of product. How much is this? 30 milliliters. Eau de Parfum. Is that how you say that? I'm not big on perfumes. I just buy what smells good. So don't chew me up too much in comments about how to pronounce that. All right, let's see. Winners. It starts off soft, but ends very strong. Let's put that over here with woodsy. Let's see, Caribbean Sunrise. Anything Caribbean always smells good because, you know, it's the Caribbean, so. Wait a minute. To be honest, that smells a little bit more alcohol-y than I like, so I'm gonna put that over in the no pal for me. I think I kind of expected it to smell a little bit more fruity or like flowery. It's not really giving that for me, but you may like it. Look at the notes, okay? You may like it. It may be one of those ones that sneak up on you later. Initially, it kind of smells like, but then you smell it again in a couple hours and it's like, oh wow. Well, let me cleanse my palate real quick. I need some coffee. Holiday mood, I like that. 9 more months and it's Christmas again, so. Okay, I can see that. It's not bad. I would say that's like an iffy one. Let's put that in the middle. Warm and pleasant. Let's see. Definitely has like a warm smell to it. I would say that's right in there with holiday mood. It's not like my favorite, but it's not like horrible either. Gin Fizz. Okay. Again, read the notes on these so you know exactly what you're smelling. This smells like, what is that? I feel like I smell my grandma or like my grandma's house or maybe my grandpa's cologne. I'm gonna put that in the middle as well. I can't see myself wearing that all day because it does have like a strong kick to it, so you don't need a lot of that. All right, Bluebird. Some of these are not as soft as I would like. I don't want to be smelling harsh. Ooh. Is it weird that that actually smells like blue? It gives me like a blue, like oceany water smell. Not in a bad way, like it's soft, but still it goes in the middle. Let's try Old Fashioned. I need some coffee grounds. Okay, that one's kind of soft. That reminds me of my grandma. Both of them, actually. I don't know if I want to smell like my grandma. I'll put her in the middle. Let's try Lady in Red. I saved her for last on purpose. Lady in Red. Definitely a fruity smell. And it smells familiar. I have smelled this smell before from, we're not gonna say it, but okay, it's nice. I'll put that in a close second. But I still feel like Bright Morning may be my girl. This honestly gives me the same vibe as my, what is it, light blue perfume. I could definitely wear all of these throughout the day and be just fine. But if I'm using it as a hair mist and a body mist, I want to make sure that what I'm using kind of correlates to what I'm doing. I don't want to be smelling like my grandma walking through Target, and I definitely don't want to smell like my grandpa, but they can definitely incite some memories in my head if I want to walk around the house a little bit or maybe spray it on some other stuff and kind of have that smell around the house. You know, that's good. Look. Just a touch of spray. Let me get all these papers up. Now, for my hair, what is that? I wiped something in my hair. What was that? Ugh, yeah. Was that a Pop-Tart? But anyway, for my hair, I'm gonna be using this unit from the Janet Collection Natural Curly collection. This is the wig Afro GLYN in the color 1B. I'm gonna show you guys how I got my style together real quick. She has some cute styles on her card. Wear it all out as a full wig. I'm gonna try to push mine behind my hairline. And this wig just smells like packaging. So not only can I put this spray on my natural hair, I can also put it on my wigs to give me a good little scent. The worst thing you can have is a stale smelling wig. Okay, we do not like that. It is a full cap. Do we have any combs? No, but it does have the adjustable straps in the back so you can tighten this wig down if need be. I'm pulling this wig cap just so I can see how this looks as a full wig. Hello. Is it me you're looking for? It doesn't feel as textured as I thought it was gonna feel, but you know, she's workable and she still gives that textured look. Now when I'm doing this, I may get some shedding. Yeah, it's like little teeny curls. Do a little something like this. It's already shaped pretty cute, so you don't gotta worry about doing too much shaping. Like I said, I'm gonna wear mine back up off my hairline. Hold up, hold up. Do I have a bobby pin? Put my wig cap back on, and then I'm gonna take my wig grip just to make sure I have some extra security, and I'm gonna place it right here. Let me tuck this in the back so it's a little bit flatter. There we go. Let's tighten this down a little bit in the back just to make sure she's not gonna slip. So I'm gonna use my adjustable straps to do that. Let's put it on. I mean, if I wanted to wear it like blend my hair in, that could definitely be a look, but today I want to wear her back up off my hairline. I'm gonna take some water just around the front, brush this out. I'm gonna use some of my curl defining smoothie, not a lot, just a little bit, kind of help with the moisture and the shine as well as the curls. It's very lightweight. I love how this feels on my hair. Let me just bring it down. Let me find a clip so I can clip this down so I don't get it mixed up with the rest of my hair. I don't want it to go up, I want it to go back. So let me just brush this back. 3 times will do the trick, I think. Use my curl smoothie again, just around my edges. Just bring this down. And take my brush, and I'm gonna brush up this hair, kind of frizz it up a bit. Brush out the back. There's no comb in the back to hold that down, so I can definitely use a bobby pin. Let me finish it off with my Bright Morning finishing touches. Maybe a little extra on me. Listen, I am looking and smelling good. Bright Mornings definitely give me a little wake-up call. Makes me want to go lay on my man immediately. The hair came out really cute. After I brushed it out and gave it this look, it looks a lot more natural to me. It's in between silky and yucky. More so on the yucky side, but it doesn't have that rough feel. That's what it is. It doesn't have the rough feel. I was gonna get to it. It definitely feels a lot softer and, dare I say, a lot nicer than some of these textures out right now for synthetic wigs. Okay, Janet. But yeah, I do like how this is looking on me. Listen, if you want to look and smell like me, make sure you check out the links down below, okay? I have everything that I use in this video linked down there so you don't gotta miss anything or ask me a bunch of questions, okay? I already answered it for you, okay? I got you, sis. So go ahead and check out the wig, but most importantly, check out the sprays. All of them. Sounds like shots of liquor in here. All the sprays, okay? So that's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit and my Esha perfume mist down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.